200 container ships. If we had a European ship owner with 200 container ships, what kind of a policy we could have? Let's go simple. Probably 50%, 100 ships trade within America and Europe. So the reply is very simple. I would really have to choose the flag. Which is the best flag for this trade if it trades Atlantic? Of course, we can go Panama, Marshall, Bahama, Liberia, Bermudas. All these flags allow, never Singapore, forget about Singapore, because we could really endorse Panama, Venezuela, Cuba, even Honduras, Peru, Chile, Argentina, Ecuador, Colombia, all the Latino countries. Now we have 40,000 Latino officers. How many are from container fleets? Let's say 5,000. With English, let's say 2,000. So we have 100 ships in 2,000. So we divide 2,000 divided by 100. So we have 20 Latino officers per ship. The rest also can be ratings. Why? Because we avoid the risk areas of Asia. If we do this in ships trade within the America region and the Europe region, perhaps we have a 50,000 travel cost per ship. So if we have 200 ships times $50,000 travel expenses budget, that's only $10 million savings. Yeah, and a lot of economists and the statisticians will look at the savings. Yes, but a lot think about who is going to be the new CEO. One day I'll be gone, and then we need to have new CEO for this ship owner. Where is this talent coming from? Well, from home. Where is home? Home is the trade you have where you invest in the goodwill of your good company, which is the talent and the human resources. The other 50% also we have Cyprus flag is very nice for European trades, Mediterranean trades, and then we could really endorse Morocco and Algiers, and they have very good quality officers. The source is non-stopping. We're looking also of other, let's say not 2,000, we can have 1,000 officers from these, so it's 10 officers per ship. Then the other 20 can be Europeans. Now it's a huge pool available of Greek, Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, Latvian, Eastern Europeans, many different supply of European officers, and also we could really mix with some Asians. But this is how I would do your 200 ships today. Perhaps the software would not be so expensive, marry up like 15,000 per month or something. No, it could be like Adonis, which is like $40 per month, or a Crew Inspector $20 per month, or approx. You see, and that's enough. You see, this is why software companies, stock exchanges. Why? Because today we can have KPIs with SharePoint and Power BI and Microsoft, these basic Copilot and advanced Teams Premium. So contact us at the ship owner if you're thinking about saving this 10 million but investing in the future management of your company. Where? Home. Thank you. Home. Bilbao Athletic has local players here, Basque players, you see in Bilbao. So you must invest local, yes. But for that, you need to have a strategic agreement with Candina for the Atlantic. 200 ships is just a little number. Thank you. Bye.